I used to think when you're a working parent at home, you have to pretend like you don't work, and at work, you have to pretend like you're not a parent. And now all of those lines are blurred. I'm the CEO of 1871, the #1 ranked private incubator in the world. My job every day is to increase the probability of success of the people that I work with. Companies are coming to the conclusion to change their paradigm about what they expect from their employees, particularly women and working moms, and create the opportunity for more flexibility. They're going to lose those employees, and I think they're going to have a hard time recruiting new ones. That will be devastating for not only their company, but the economy overall. This is the most important time, I think, in our history to figure out how to marshal entrepreneurs and support them so that they can go build businesses that employ people and pull us through the economic recovery. I'm Betsy Ziegler, and I'm ready to make change.